This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready? Start by opening the property's extranet page. Once done, navigate straight to the Rates and Availability section. You need edit permissions to change rates. Check which rate plan you'll modify and the exact room type code, because rates cascade. Make sure the date range you'll edit is visible, and pull current values into a quick reference list. This prevents accidental overwrites and speeds the next steps. Now change the numbers. Choose the rate plan, pick the date range, and edit the base rate for the room type. You can add supplementary charges or toggle breakfast inclusions. This affects final consumer price. Once updated, set restrictions like minimum stay, close to arrivals, or stop sell to control inventory flow. Use bulk tools or per-day edits depending on seasonality. Save changes and review the daylighted pricing to ensure the displayed prices match your intended net and commission calculations. Finish by previewing the updated rates in the public view and perform a test booking to verify final price and cancellation policy. Once confirmed, publish changes. If you use a channel manager, make sure it's successfully synced within 10-15 minutes. If values look off, edit only the impacted dates or revert to the previous rate set. This avoids broader disruption. Troubleshooting tip: if sync fails, clear the channel manager queue, retry the export, and contact booking. COM support with a screenshot and timestamp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.